All right, in this video, we're going to update this very basic Angular application using the cursor editor. Here's the cursor editor. It has this spot over here we can create this little composer, as I refer to it over here. This is a basic Angular application inside a composer. You can see that just by looking at the files over here. I do have already a model for what I want a patient to look like. Let's go ahead and let's ask Composer to create some stuff for us. Create a patient list page. Add a page should have a table with a list of patients. The table should have two columns, ID, name, and age. Generates some fake data to show in the table. And I'm going to change this word to component just so it's more in line with what Angular expects. And this isn't a huge advantage for us here. Angular has this with ng space g space c, and then you can give it the component. You can do patient list and it would generate this for us. But this is going to generate it with some of that, the prime ng table in it already for us. At least that's what I'm hoping it does. Hopefully fix up the route for us, gives us some fake data. None of this is saving us infinite amounts of time. This would be something I could knock out pretty quick, but it generated this component for me, generated this patient list, put some patients in there, put in some fake names. Let's see what happens. Didn't refresh automatically for us. Why not? We are running. Oh, we're not on the patients page. There we go. Had to navigate there. We have like our table styling. Now we don't do anything with this. We just have some static data. Let's build out a page to kind of see the details for these. All right, let's go here. Build a patient detail form component. Let's just use this Angular language. Make all of the fields editable except for ID. Add a save button. Add save and cancel buttons to the form. Let's see what happens. Anytime you do stuff like this and ask Cursor to build these, I think you get a good number of errors that you kind of have to work through. So it's really valuable to be already pretty knowledgeable about how all these things go together. You usually fix the issues faster. All right, still generating. Normally you probably want to review this, but this is a demo, so we're going to go quick. Got some components here. Now I have a patient detail. Look at this. And you can see it has form and a bunch of stuff. Let's see what happens. And here, it even mentions in a real app we'd want to, if we get ID of 1, it knows what data to drop in there. All right, so let's go to our app. We click on John Doe. It takes us here, has our address, all this information. The ID field isn't there. Cancel takes us back. Now, because this is all fake data, if I click on Jane Smith, it's actually all going to be blank. But all of this was stood up really quickly. This is most certainly not app quality. We wouldn't want to deploy this, for real customer systems. but gets everything stood up quickly for us to kind of play with. Sometimes just getting kind of that scaffold in place can be pretty useful. Feel free to give the cursor editor a try. I'll have a few more videos about it. I think if you can give it a little more context, a little more information, you can be even happier with the results.